Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn momentum and collisions together, step by step. Momentum measures how much motion an object carries. It equals mass times velocity, so a heavy truck and a fast bullet can both have large momentum. Because velocity has direction, momentum is a vector pointing the way the object moves. Its units are kilogram meters per second. The more mass or speed an object has, the harder it is to stop. To change momentum, you apply impulse, which is force, times the time it acts. That's why a longer contact time means a gentler force. The idea behind airbags and bending your knees when you land. Even more powerful is conservation. With no outside forces, the total momentum of a system before an event equals the total after. This rules every collision. A 2-kilogram cart moves at 3 meters per second and crashes into a 1-kilogram cart at rest, and they stick together. Before, the total momentum is 6 kilogram meters per second. Momentum is conserved, so after the collision the combined 3-kilogram mass must still carry 6. Dividing gives 2 meters per second. The joined carts roll off together at that speed. A gun and bullet start at rest, so total momentum is 0. When fired, the bullet flies forward with momentum. To keep the total at 0, the gun must recoil backward with equal and opposite momentum. Because the gun is much heavier, it moves slowly while the light bullet races away fast. That backward kick is conservation of momentum you can feel. Here's the summary. Momentum is mass times velocity and points in the direction of motion. Impulse, force over time, is how you change it. And spreading impulse over more time softens the force. Most importantly, total momentum stays constant when no outside force acts, letting you predict collisions and recoils. You now hold a key tool of physics. Great job. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.